is a Surfside family suite, room number 10293. This room is designed to give a little extra space for families. It has the split bathroom, which is super convenient when getting ready for dinner or in the mornings, with the shower and vanity on one side and the toilet and sink in the other. This does have a balcony overlooking the Surfside neighborhood, keeping you close to the fantastic space created for young families. It has a main bed that can either be a king bed or separated to two twins, and then there is a separate space with a sofa that is ideal for two smaller kids. If you are trying to find the best room to fit you and your family on the Icon of the Seas or any other cruise ship for that matter, visit us at valuablevacations.com and we would be happy to help.